Happy birthday, Tiyay! Wishing you all the great things in life.
And more birthdays to come po.
Good health.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tiyay. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita. Yun, salamat po sa tulong at support and all. And wishing you all the good health and sana mas maging prosperous pa yung family natin this year.
So yun, more wonderful blessing to come po sa'yo and your family, and sending you with lots of love and best wishes on your special day.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lola Ann. Love you. I miss you. Lola Ann, I love you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Lola Ann! We wish you a good health always and more birthdays to come. Ingat palagi.
Una sa lahat, binabati kita ng maligayang kaarawan ko yan. Wish ko lang sa'yo is magiging happy ka lagi, good health, more blessings pa. Mag-ingat kayo lagi sa inyong biyahe, pag nagbiyahe kayo. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Tiyay. Stay pretty always and ingatan lagi ang kalusot. Love you. Happy birthday, Nay. More birthdays to come. Lagi naman yan sinasabi. Salamat sa lahat-lahat. Alam mo yun? Di ba? Thank you. Stay in a good health. Kaya marami pa tayong mga problems. Marami pa tayong troubles sa buhay. Sana makasama kayo. Ingat kayo lagi. Lalo na kay Altrina kayo. Love you! Love you!
Happy birthday sa mabait at matuloy namin tita.
Happy birthday, Lola Ann. More birthday to come. I love you.
Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming birthday and more blessings pa. Again, happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Love you.
Hi, happy birthday. First of all, thank you for that. And this love, laughter, and wisdom you share. You are a wonderful mix of friend and family. Wishing you a day filled with joy, health, and all your favorite things. And once again, happy birthday, Tiyay. Bye-bye.
Hi, Nanay Ann. Happy birthday po. Naway bigyan pa po kayo ng Panginoon Diyos natin na maraming birthday na isi-celebrate at naway maging masaya po kayo sa araw-araw. Papasalamat ako, Nay, dahil tinanggap niyo ako sa tahanan niyo nung panahon na wala po akong mapuntahan. Kaya na ngayong birthday niyo, Nanay, mag-enjoy po kayo sa araw-araw at mag-iingat po kayo palagi, Nay. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Love you, Nay. Happy birthday po.
Iyo, Mami, happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Nanay Ann!
Ganda mo, God rich. Happy birthday,
Happy
Lola
birthday, Nanay Ann. Good health.
Good health.
Ano pa? More birthday. Love you.
Love you. Nanay. Hi. Hi.
Nanay.
Nanay.
Hello, Nay. Happy birthday, Nay. More birthdays to come, Nay. Bigyan ka pa ng lakas na mahaba. Bigyan ka pa niya ng ayos na kalusugan. Yun lang po. Ingat po palagi, Nay. God bless po. Thank you po. Love you, Nay.
Happy birthday, Tiyay Ann! Hindi kin magpakapoy. Alungi mo lawas. Good health lang for me. More birthdays to come. I love you!
Ann, happy birthday. Kabay pa nga, kubayan ka lang ni Lord, galos adlaw-adlaw nga tanan natagan ng kasay niyasan kabakod, kusog, kag may pamatsag adlaw-adlaw. Nga madamo pagid nga birthday ang imo malampuwasan. An, hindi ka gid magkalipat ha. Nga ang Diyos yara gid na gaubay sa aton. Kabay pa nga ikaw gid. Manin, maayo lang ang imo birthday sa palabuton. Kabay gid nga si Lord, magaubay sa imo, kag magahatag sa maayong alawas, kusog kabakod, malawi pagid nga kabuhi. Kinatanan-an, ginaampo ginamon pagi kay Kristo nga aton Ginoo. Amen. And happy birthday!
Hi Ma! Happy birthday and happy 56th birthday Ma. At ang message ko lang ay I am truly thankful Ma and grateful na ikaw ang naging mother ko. Thank you Ma for all the love, patience and sacrifices you've given me every single day. And especially sa aming lahat. Ma, for 10 years na may cancer ka, you have shown so much strength, courage, and faith despite everything you've been going through. And Ma, you are my hero. And lahat kami ay nagmamahal sa iyo at minamahal ka. And I pray that God continues to give you comfort, peace, and continuous healing and many more birthdays to come to celebrate, Ma. Thank you for fighting, for staying strong, and for loving me unconditionally. I'm so blessed to have you, Ma, as my mother, and I love you more than words can express. I love you so much, Ma. Mahal na mahal ka po namin, and happy birthday po sa iyo, Ma. I love you so much po.
Pangga, happy birthday. Sana magiging madagdagan pa yung buhay mo dahil ikaw ay may sakit pero nasa Panginoon yung may dala ng buhay natin, kaya patuloy lang tayo mananalig sa Kanya na yung mga blessing na binibigay sa atin atin pasasalamatan. Tsaka unang-unang buhay mo talaga pinahaba niya pa. Ngayon nakasurvive ka. Salamat. Happy birthday Pangga. God bless you. I love you.